These days, a lot of people have Keurig coffee makers, but not many of these people think much about how to clean them. Most people just give them a wipe down with their countertops and move on. But there's a lot more that goes into cleaning your Keurig, especially if you want it performing at the optimum level and producing a great cup of coffee. We're here to teach you how to really clean your Keurig. Don't worry, it's easy. Why it's gross. Your Keurig and anything else that holds standing water is a breeding ground for bacteria and mold. This means that if left untouched, your Keurig can get pretty gross and even make you sick. At the very least, it'll make your coffee taste funky too. Weekly cleaning. You don't need to deep clean every part of your Keurig each time you clean it, but there are parts that should be cleaned weekly. These parts include the mug tray, K-cup holder, water reservoir, and lid. First, make sure you unplug the machine, then clean the K-cup holder and mug tray in regular warm soapy water. Next, remove the water reservoir and clean the surfaces with a damp, soapy rag. Be sure to let everything air dry, as wiping with a towel can leave bits of lint and fabric behind. Bi-monthly cleaning. You should address your water filter every 2 months. This will keep everything clean and keep your coffee tasting fresh. First, soak a new cartridge for about 5 minutes in water, then rinse it off. Then you'll need to lean the mesh part of the bottom filter holder, and after that, you'll be able to place the new cartridge into the top water filter holder. Press down to make sure the lid is secure, and place it back into the reservoir, 3 to 6 months. Over time, hard water minerals can build up in your coffee maker, so it should be descaled every 3 to 6 months. The timing depends on how much coffee you're making, so use your best judgment. Start by pouring white vinegar or a Keurig descaling solution into the reservoir. Then, put a mug in the mug tray and begin the brewing cycle without a K-cup. You can discard the liquid in the mug at the end of the cycle. Then run the cycle once more with plain water to make sure your next cup of coffee doesn't taste like vinegar or solution. Brewing excellent coffee. With a clean Keurig, you can get back to enjoying excellent cups of coffee. But cleaning isn't the only way to make sure your coffee tastes best. To brew a truly excellent cup of coffee, you should start with cold water. You can also add the tiniest pinch of salt to your coffee to swap the bitterness for a smoother taste. And don't fall into the bulk coffee trap. Even though K-cups are sealed very well, coffee flavor degrades over time, so be sure to not buy too much coffee at any one time. If you enjoyed these tips for cleaning your Keurig, you'll love the rest of our blog. We're a house cleaning company with services ranging from deep cleaning to maid services and even eco-friendly cleaning. Check us out today for more ways to keep your home clean and orderly. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.